Okay, Fairmont na kami. Fairmont Hot Spring, BC.
Quiet. Daddy's taking a video. Like, do you understand?
3 hours and
3 hours left.
yes, 3 hours and 30 minutes left.
Oh wait, I think. Wait. I think I actually remember it.
Yeah, remember it? Yan, nag-hike kami dito dati. Nandun kami sa taas and yung view
Dad.
from top, grabe.
No.
Parang hudos siya oh. Hudos nga. Ganda oh.
How you burn?
Bridge. Okay, 1 hour and 10 minutes bago namin marating yung Canbrook. Mag-ano kami doon, stop over. Kasi si Lance mukhang sleepy na. Oh, 3 hours na siya nagda-drive.
This one comes from my feet.
Okay. Alright, first stop namin, first gas dito sa Canbrook. Eto, nag-switch na kami ni Lance. Sumuko na mag-drive. Almost 4 hours ka rin nag-drive, no?
Yeah, nantok na.
Nantok na? And napakainit kasi, no? Good job. So ako na magde-drive hanggang Idaho, dun sa may campground namin. Mga 2 hours pa and 30 minutes. Alright, let's go. Na-refresh ulit. This is for Dexty and Hill.
Hey, you're gonna drop it.
Chocolate Oreo. And sa amin, ice cup for you, Lance. For you, sweetheart.
Yes, thank you.
Alright. And then, syempre sa akin ito. Summer na summer talaga dito. Temperature ngayon is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus 2 ng hapon. It's 2:20 ng hapon. Nandito pa rin kami sa Canbrook. Excited kami na bumili ng Teams para syempre ma-refresh din. And bumili na rin kami ng donuts. Ano ba yung in-order natin na donuts? Open nga, Lance. Ito yung lagi kong ino-order pagka order ako ng donuts. Ito yung strawberry peel, honey dip, and ito ako, old fashioned plain. Ayan.
Wala yung favorite ko.
Ano ba yung favorite mo?
Yung Boston cream.
Boston cream?
Walang Boston cream.
Ah, wala. Sorry kayo, ito sa akin.
In 200 meters, continue straight.
Alright, so nandito na tayo sa Canada-US border. Ayan, nakikita nyo may pila.
Yeah.
So mga hindi natin alam kung gaano kahaba to. So, hintay lang. Ilang oras pa ba?
Ayun. 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yun, 1 hour and 30 minutes bago natin marating yung Sandpoint, diba? Idaho. Pero yung place nung pupuntahan natin, pangalan niya Hope, no?
Hope
Yung campground natin, Hope.
Idaho.
Nice. Oh, ready mo na yung passport natin.
Okay.
Okay, malapit na kami. 19 minutes sa campground namin. Yan oh. Ang tren. Uy.
Kaya nga, hindi ka nag-ano. Oh, hindi na. Kulang niya ako.
Para namang may magagawa yung
Continue on Idaho 200 East for 12 miles.
See?
Kasi gabi video eh. Yung nasa likod sabi niya, bakit hindi nagka-ano pa yun? Sabi niya.
Turn right, then continue straight.
Beyond, ayun o. That's beyond, ayun o. Beyond Hope Resort.
You can swim there.
Parking, entrance, registration.
Continue straight, then
Oysters.
you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, what? Ew, some people will swim.
Passport,
Entrance.
andyan na pala oh.
Diyan na pala, naghihintay na
That's
pala.
for RV.
Saan tayo?
Let's like.
That's our RV.
That's not our RV.
Entrance, done.
Oh yeah, she's waiting here. She's waiting for us. Oh yeah.
The RV is here.
Daming sa swimming dun.
The RV is here.
Oh yeah. That's
RV is here.
RVs and then
Ah, alam ko doon sa kabila.
sabi niya RVs.
You have arrived.
No, there's only
Dito.
one.
Hindi, yung...
I don't know.
Mag-place na lang ba tayo ngayon?
Hindi. Ano, kailangan tanong
So,
mo.
check
Nasaan
in.
yung registration?
Kaya
Baka
nga.
sa kabila.
Ayun ata.
Ito,
Ayun.
tanungin mo to. Andito yata may tao.
Breakfast yan.
Okay. Nakapag-register na kami finally. And susundan natin yung... Ang tawag dyan?
ATV.
ATV.
Yeah. Siya yung mag-guide papunta dun sa site natin. Good service. And ang daming tao dito ah. Very nice place. Yan oh. Mga RV. Pwede mag-tent. Tent oh.
Yun yung mushroom there.
That's a mushroom na.
That's a mushroom.
So, dito yung site namin. Yun, deer. Bonus.
Oh, wow. There's a deer.
Ito, ang campsite namin. Oopsie.
Doon ka siguro, diretso.
Ito yung campsite namin.
Sabihin mo na lang si Tart. Sa Tart. Anin mo na lang dito na sa ano. Bababa na lang ako. Ayan, ganyan lang.
Okay, start na kami ng aming setup. Tent 9.
Ayan, ganyan lang. Tapos isa-shoot na yun. Parang ginawa ko.
YouTube. You're filming. Cool.
Yeah. Memories, you know.
Yeah, that's a nice little flashlight too.
Yep.
Yes,
What can you say about our campsite?
it's good.
It's good?
And it's nice here.
Nice here. Okay, yan na.
And it's
Yeah, building a tent. Yan na. Now, ready?
Puro siya okay na. Ano, it's ready. Ano yun? Ano yun? Papump mo lang ba yan? Oo, ready lang, ready.
Ready na, nakatak na.
Oh, sige na.
Okay na? Taas na natin?
Ito yung pole niya eh.
Susot ko dyan?
Hi.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Don't know. We're exploring the campground. So yan, nag-explore kami dito sa campground. Ito yung ano nila, tenting area.
You know, there's actually mushrooms here.
Where's the mushroom?
I found it in like my campground.
Okay. Wow, very nice. Ito yung mga tent area, oh. Ito yung mga RV. Ganda. Doon kami sa gawi doon. Pupunta tayo dito sa may lake. Yan. Ito yung ano nila, washroom. May bear. Yan, kuha na mo kami picture dito.
Don't cover the bear. Go beside the bear.
Yeah.
Yun na lang, dito na lang kita.
Yung mga tatlo lang, yan.
Go to Bill, can you go to the other side?
Picture sila, oh. Yung bear, may dalawang bear dito eh. Maliit. Cub.
Go. Okay, 1.
2, 3. Bam. Dito may event area sila dito. Ayan, oh. Oh, wow. Ano na? Pa-sunset na, oh. Wow. Tapos may restaurant dyan, oh. Very nice. Ganda. Tapos may marina sila dyan, oh, marina. Ayan, oh, may restaurant and may tumutugtog pa doon. Wow. Wow.
Daddy, there's also colored stones.
Color stones? Pebbles?
No, stones. I think
Stones? Wow.
There's red.
Very nice.
Uh-oh.
Start. Ano masasabi mo? Malamig ba yung tubig?
No. Tama lang.
Touch natin tubig.
Tama lang siya. Tama lang siya. So,
Tama. Ano masasabi mo dito sa may campground na to?
very relaxing.
Relaxing, no? Balik kagad tayo dito.
Ganda, oh. Pati yung sunset nila, oh.
Oh. Sunset. Wow. Ba, tampisaw na. Oh, basa na yung isa. Oh, picture. Oh. Malamig ba yung tubig?
Sa una lang.
So na.
Sa una lang, tapos okay na.
Oh. Linaw, oh.
Ayan nga, eh. Hindi na ng tubig. Sa, pag ganito sa maligo.
Oo. Saka sunset, oh. Hey guys, how's the water?
Grabe yung linaw niya, oh.
Okay, don't get wet, okay? Tomorrow we're going to swim here.
Oh, tomorrow we're gonna swim in there.
Nice. Selfie tayo, sa tayo.
Now I don't have to be
Lalim din yan. Lalim. Ito boat, oh. Oh, may camping din doon, oh. Very nice.
sinking level.
Okay.
Let's go.
I can see,
Sinking
Ah,
level.
sakay mo na.
Here's the sinking.
Wow.
You put your scissors here.
playground. Nice campground.
A deer. Two
Where?
deers.
2 deers? Oh my goodness.
Here, Mommy.
Big deer.
Three deers.
Oh, 3. 3. 3 deer. 3 deers. Don't feed them, okay?
Yes. Yeah, that only needs one.
Malinis siya ano dyan. Tapos walang
There's deer crossing the road.
Deers right there. All right, good morning. Eto. Start na tayo ng
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning!
Yan, start na tayo ng exploring dito sa, how do you pronounce Idaho? Idaho?
Idaho.
Idaho.
Happy day.
Happy day, oo. Ngayon, magdadrive kami ng 1 hour and 30 minutes papuntang Coeur d'Alene.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Okay, turn left daw. Ano ba makikita doon? Si Tart.
ay, nandun yung ano, yung longest floating boardwalk.
Oh, boardwalk. Nice, exciting. And maraming lake doon, no? And yung papasyalan natin doon yung
Turn
downtown.
left onto Idaho
Meron din
200
silang
West.
lake dun. Coeur d'Alene
lakes.
Lake.
Okay. Okay. Makikita natin. See you sa Coeur d'Alene. Alright.
Continue on Idaho 200 West.
Ito na.
Is it long?
Ito na. Dito na kami sa Sandpoint. Magko-cross kami ng bridge. Anong tawag nun? Start? Dito sa bridge na to?
Yung ano, Sandpoint, yung bridge na to,
Oo.
they call it
Okay,
Long
let's
Bridge.
take this.
Long Bridge.
Sandpoint.
Ito.
Okay. Let's see if it's really long.
Really long? Wait. I don't understand.
They call it Sandpoint Long Bridge.
Sandpoint, the longest bridge ever.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see if it's long.
Wow!
No, open.
Connecting Sandpoint and ano, Atoll ba to?
Wow!
Tapos this is the
Blue.
yan, around yan yung lake pa rin yan, Lake Pen
Sandpoint.
Peveril.
Oh, here's the bridge.
Yeah, I know.
Peveril.
Wow, this bridge is long.
Ano ba yung bridge?
No, really? Like a mountain. A tiny mountain. No, I can actually not.
Yung gilid, pwedeng mag-ano dyan eh.
Is it big enough?
Ah,
to be a
dito.
mountain? Actually.
Mamayang hapon, pagka hindi na mainit,
Doon tayo mamaya.
Oh, look at the
Pwede dyan ako. Dog walk.
These
Ang tangin ng dog
Saan, dyan sa
walk.
kabila?
Yan, ano ba?
oh, okay. Nice.
Just kidding.
Ganda naman yung mga bahay dun. Sa gilid.
Alam mo pagka ginawa nila itong parang yung tipong San Francisco Bridge.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Oo, oo. Ganda siguro nito.
See? Yun, their dog walk something there.
Ganda.
Dixie.
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
Ito na end nung ano, end nung
Oh no, we're trapped in
Bridge.
the island.
Okay.
Oh no, we need this much.
Okay, dito na tayo sa Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Yan.
Idaho.
Idaho. Kumpleto rin, no? Malaking lugar din. Ito, may ano, Staples doon. And yung mga nadaanan natin, may mga McDonald's.
Siyempre. Oh my goodness. Wala pa.
Ito lang, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Mga 6 minutes, nandun na tayo sa may destination natin na
Lake din nila.
lake.
Meron din silang
Yan,
lake
makikita
doon,
natin yung lake nila. Balita ko may mga celebrities dito na mga nagpupunta.
What happened?
It's like Manhattan.
Wow! Look at the place, Dexy Hill.
Yeah.
May parking na pala dyan.
It's like Kelowna.
Ano, meron pa doon?
Yeah, it looks like
At the light, turn right. Then your destination will be on the right.
Yeah. Wow, nice art. You guys take a picture.
Lexi,
Siya dito sa Dice, oh.
okay, one.
Dito si Tart, oh. Ang ano mo, view. Wow.
Wow.
there's some more art.
Yeah, I know.
It's like in the museum.
There's lots, right?
Very nice place. Coeur d'Alene,
And also some people are
Idaho.
People are biting.
How is it, Dexy? Do you like the place?
Yeah, but some people are biting.
Oh, let's go this way.
There's also like a creek.
There's more art here. Hill. Oh, malinaw. And may mga nagsiswimming, oh. Doon marami nagsiswimming.
So may number.
Moose!
They
Meron
have-
pang ano, oh,
They
small.
they have like several of these. They call it Moose 1, Moose 2, Moose 3, Moose 4.
Oh, ganun.
Yeah, all
Oh,
around.
may maliit na ano, daga.
All around the place. Man.
Oh, let's take a picture. Start. So, anong tawag dito?
Floating boardwalk.
Oh. Floating boardwalk? Ito yung
Longest floating boardwalk.
oh,
Let's see.
okay. And may bridge pa doon, oh. Tataas tayo dyan. Meron na. Nice.
Careful, Dex.
Kumusta yung tubig, Lance?
Why is it green?
Pero malinaw, no? Lalim to. Ayan, nandito yung mga boat nila, oh. Dito maganda mag-hotel. Pag nandun ka sa taas, tanaw mo yung buong lake. Anong tawag dito sa lake na ito ulit?
Cordeline Lake. Cordeline Lake.
Ayan, nakakit kami dito sa parang bridge na ginawa nila. Very nice place.
What?
Oh, tara dito. Oh, longest boardwalk talaga kasi may boardwalk papunta doon, oh, pa circle. Okay.
May jump, may cliff jump doon.
Oh, tara. Let's find out. How is it, Dexty? Hill?
Military Memorial something.
That's to the boat.
Akala ko ito lang. Pa-circle pala. Kaya,
Let's take it for...
yeah, let's take a picture here.
There's still more.
Wait, here, look.
Wow. Tingnan mo naman yung
Watch
view.
here first. Come here, Dexty.
Eh, may mga nagje-jet ski. Ano tawag dyan? Paragliding.
Yeah.
Mommy.
And pwede kang mag-rent ng private, ano mo, ayun, private plane para mag-tour dito sa lake. Very nice. And ayan, nandiyan lang yung hotel.
Over here.
Okay, take a picture tayo. Let's take a picture. Longest boardwalk. Ayan, galing kami doon. And iikot kami around dito sa marina nila. Ito na pala yung sundo natin eh. Okay, ito na yung sundo namin. Wow. Look at that. Sarap siguro dyan, oh. Woohoo! Dumaan yung boat, tapos yung boardwalk magalaw. Yee! Run, run! Run for your life! Nice. Magalaw. Okay, let's take a picture here.
Diyan?
Dito, oh, sa may gitna, maganda. Oh, take picture, Lance.
Guys, sana?
Oh, yan.
Dexty, come on, let's go. Hurry up.
Mahaba din yun, oh.
Kaya nga eh.
Ito na yung very end niya.
many boats parked.
And doon may mga,
Doon lang sila.
ayun doon, may mga tumatalo, mga cliff jump.
Even there.
Diyan? Okay. Ayun oh. Punta natin yan. Electric pala to, Lance, oh. Saksak sa electric, oh. Airy.
Painumin mo to kasi he said, look,
Ah, kunin mo na yung tubig.
we need some, ano to?
Yung ano, yung tawag doon. Yun, oh, para gliding. Asa taas sila. Ito yung downtown nila.
Straight na to, no?
Pa straight. Manda rin yung lake.
Wait. Open the park.
Okay. Moose. Picture pa sila, oh. Maganda rin itong downtown nila, no? Ano yung dala mo ba?
Taking a picture next week.
Where's next day?
Kaya mo na.
Pagkano tayo na mabilisan? Oh, ganda. Oh. Very nice place. Oh, dalawa tayo dito. Bilisan mo. Bigay mo kay Lance yan. Dito, halika.
Okay.
Oh, bilisan ka, Lance. Dalawa kami. Stay there, Hale. Stay there. Yung mauna kayo.
Dito na tayo.
Harap tayo ng makakainan. Do you wanna put on your shades? Put on your shade.
May museum sila dito.
Mommy, are we just exploring?
Yeah, downtown.
I got something for the story.
Oh.
Tumitingin sila sa atin. Kasi tayo lang yung ito. Tumitingin sila sa atin. Gusto ko smile yung mga parang
Oh, doon. Mga,
nakikita ko sila eh.
oh, mga kakaiba kasi tayo.
Parang naligaw tayo.
Ano tayo lang yan? Hindi, tingnan mo naman yung tsura ko, di ba?
Tapos nakikita ko sila.
Kasi parang walang Pilipino ata dito.
I'm on first.
Next time, no. Stop that. Stop that. Ganda rin dito.
Where's the sushi? Oh, dito na tayo? Silverwood. Gusto bang pumunta dyan, lads?
I love roller coasters.
Ayun, ang daming tao.
Whoa!
Ganda. Then yung campground, ito. That's the campground.
Okay na.
Sino po eh, yung Silverwood lang nakita.
Ano? May natin yung mga...
Ay, may pa pala dito. Yan pa pala.
Ay, ano water park na ba? Diyan.
Oras. Distract siya.
Haba ng pila, kaya na yun.
Sarap ng tulog ko.
Good morning.
Morning.
Sarap ba yung tulog mo? Siyempre,
Tama-tama lang yung weather niya eh. Yung pati yung lamig niya. Sarap.
siyempre, mansion yan eh. Mamaya tutour namin kayo sa loob. Ano? Coffee na? Painitan.
Hey, are you watching the monkey bar? No. I see it.
Yeah! Swimming time! Dexty! How's the water?
And I can sit down in the water.
Wow! Lino mo?
Hey, stop that.
Galing ah. Galing mo sumisid. How about Hill? Hill, how's the water? Oh my goodness. Oh, floating ka. Dance. Floating. Ayan, floating nga. Oh. With a beautiful view. Ano naman, oh. Sisid na naman, oh. Wow. Start, di ka dito. Selfie tayong dalawa. Selfie tayo. Ayan, oh.
Sarap. Malamig. Hindi, okay lang yung water, yung temperature.
Hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Tama-tama lang.
Refresh.
Ayan, oh. Ayan yung view natin. Oh. Mountains. Dito tayo.
Ang
Ganda, no?
Yeah.
Orange na orange yung ano. Isa, no? Pa sunset na. Tapos may event dito. Ayan. Wow. Liga dito si Tart. Selfie tayong dalawa, liga. For sure, yeah. We're gonna go here. Right here. Halika dito. Okay. Beautiful sunset. Take picture muna kami.
Pakita
Yeah!
natin yung alam mo yun, yung gano'n ng ano. Ganda eh.
Ayan ah.
Ayan, pakita natin
Wow,
yan.
tignan mo yung ano, yung
Yan.
line nung araw, no?
Oo, yan. Oh. Ganda.
Okay.
Ganda.
Gusto ko na dito. Alam mo yun, napaka-relax talaga
Ganda
dito.
ng sunset. Totoo pala yung sabi nila kasi maganda daw yung sunset.
Dito sa may Beyond Hope
Nice.
Campground. Oh, ito na yung pinaka gusto kong campground ngayon so far, no?
Oo.
Dito sa ano to, Idaho. Ayan, oh. Dahil nagpapapicture yan. Ayan. Tayo sa baba, start. Nagagos. Ayan, oh. Dahil nagpapapictures. Oh. Ayan yung mga girls sa likod, oh. Bisita kami.
Uncleared siya. Uncleared here.
Laki rin, oh.
Galing oh. Grabe oh, yung antler niya. Tinitigan si... Oh, narinig yung aso.
Laki, no?
Basta hapon na, nandyan na sila, no?
Oo.
Nakapaligid na sila.
Yan, nag-roast tayo ng corn. Corn. Hihi. You excited for the corn?
Yes.
Do you want to help Daddy?
Of course.
Yeah, here.
I want one.
Just rotate it, okay?
I wanna only cook one.
You help Kuya. Go.
I only want to rotate it. Don't rotate it.
Galing talaga. Eto na. Pauwi na kami ngayon. Dali lang pala alisin, no? Yan. Uwi na kami. Alright, welcome to the border. Canada border and US. Alright, pauwi na kami ng Canada. Yan. Another good memories na naman, no?
Yes.
Start sa Idaho.
Idaho.
Idaho, yan. Did you guys enjoy?
Yes.
Yes? Nice. We're going back now.
Don't have the baby.
Okay, see you next time.
See you.
See ya.
See you later. See you later.
Yan ang four cars pa and then kami na. Passport ready. Hello, good morning.
I'm in the car.
Hi.
Got passports?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Calgary.
What was the purpose of the trip?
What's that?
Where'd you go?
Hope, Idaho.
Okay. Total value of the goods? Total value of the goods you're bringing back into Canada?
No.
Any alcohol or tobacco?
No.
Guns or weapons?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
That's it.
Just 1 second. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we're back.
We're back. So where is it? Oh, Canada's there.
There's the Canada.
Yeah.
We're back. We're back. Okay, try natin tong salmon. Lagyan natin ng wasabi. Then some pickles. There you go.
Done.
Okay, you want more?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yes. Tira nyo na yan.
Grabe masabi talaga. Imaginin mo na may wasabi yung sayo, Lance. Gusto mo? Yung pasta natin yan, sweetheart. Patingin niya yung pasta natin.
On the go.
Yan. Tingnan yung pasta.
You want some?
Malaki din, no? Tingnan nga, pakita mo sa camera. Oh, ang dami. For
Good
15.
For 5 persons.
Yeah, for $15. Yan. And then,
Yeah, he likes it.
sushi. $15 also. Para lang nasa restaurant, di ba?